Giant pandas, national treasure of China, love of the world. They live in fragmented habitats. Now, they will soon be able to come together at the proposed Giant Panda National Park. The park will cover more than 27,000 square kilometers and include a co-protection area that connects their isolated habitats. It will unite 33 populations of wild pandas, whose habitats span 6 mountains in 3 provinces. Natural disasters, climate change, and human activities have worsened their isolation. Most pandas in the southwestern Sichuan province are black and white, but a subspecies in the northeast of Qinling Mountain can have a brownish hue. A 2014 survey found 1,864 pandas in the wild, 17% more than a decade earlier. This reflects an intensive conservation effort, but they are still in danger. Habitat fragmentation is the most pressing threat, as they cannot move between far-flung population bases to find new feeding areas. Some subpopulations have fewer than 10 members. This can make them vulnerable to disease and reproductive problems, and less able to adapt to a changing environment. The park will have corridors and tunnels to stitch the habitats together. Once complete, it will be a haven of biodiversity, protecting pandas and 8,000 other animals and plants. Hundreds of thousands of people might have to leave the protection area, but they will be offered new homes or jobs. They will have specific areas to work and live. People and nature will benefit together. Chinese scientists have run breeding programs and reintroduced the pandas to the wild. They expect to see the captive-bred pandas sharing the land with their wild cousins. China is borrowing expertise from abroad and inviting people from around the world to help establish the park. It is hoped the park will help the wild pandas diversify their gene pools by bringing the isolated groups together. Pandas have been around for more than 8 million years. The park is their best hope yet for a healthy future.